If you're here, it's because you want to learn how to connect with that special someone in a way that feels authentic, meaningful, and unforgettable. Today, we're diving deep into the art of conversation because when you ask the right questions, you don't just get answers. You create memories, spark emotions, and build bonds that last. Hello, gentlemen, and welcome back to Grandma's Vibes. In this video, I'll give you 10 powerful questions to ask the girl you like. These aren't your run-of-the-mill icebreakers. No, these are thoughtfully crafted gems designed to make her think, feel, and open up in ways she might not expect. By the end of this, you'll have everything you need to keep her engaged, intrigued, and most importantly, thinking about you long after the conversation ends. Let's get started. Question 1. If you had a one-way time travel ticket, when would you go? Imagine handing her a one-way ticket through time. Where would she go? Would she step back into the roaring 20s, dance at Woodstock, or witness history unfold during the moon landing? Or maybe she'd leap forward 1,000 years into a future where teleportation is as common as texting. This question does more than ignite her imagination. It reveals whether she's nostalgic for the past or obsessed with the possibilities of tomorrow. Share your own answer too, because vulnerability builds bridges. This isn't just small talk. It's the beginning of something deeper. Question 2. What's the craziest, most spontaneous thing you've ever done? Light the fuse and watch her eyes light up as she rewinds through her wildest moments. Did she skinny dip under the stars? Book a spontaneous flight to Paris? Or has she never done anything truly crazy? If she hesitates, smile and say, "Guess we'll have to change that." This question gives you insight into her adventurous spirit or lack thereof. Either way, it opens the door to shared energy, whether that means adrenaline-pumping adventures or cozy, heartfelt moments. Question 3. Would you rather live in the city or the woods? Simple question, big implications. Does she thrive on the buzz of city life, surrounded by people and opportunity? Or does she crave the peace and solitude of nature? Pay attention to her reasoning. It tells you whether your lifestyles align. A Wall Street workaholic and a mountain cabin dreamer may not always mix, but understanding her preferences early on saves heartache later. Question 4. If I gave you $1,000 right now, what would you do with it? Picture this. You slide an envelope across the table with $1,000 inside. Her eyes widen. What happens next? Does she splurge on a shopping spree or book a ticket to Bali? Or does she tuck it away for a rainy day? Her answer reveals her values: immediate gratification versus long-term security. And bonus tip, watch how quickly she responds. A confident, immediate answer shows clarity in her priorities, while a thoughtful pause suggests careful deliberation. Both traits can be strengths or warning signs depending on what you're looking for. Question 5. When was the first time you broke the law? Keep it lighthearted, playful, and non-judgmental. Was it a speeding ticket? Sneaking out as a teenager? Or maybe she's the golden child who's never jaywalked. This question pulls back the curtain on her younger self, sparking storytelling and laughter. It's less about the crime and more about the personality behind it. Question 6. What's your favorite holiday? Holidays are polarizing. They bring out the best and sometimes worst in people. Does she love the chaos of Halloween, the warmth of Christmas, or does she dread the pressure altogether? Understanding how she celebrates special days gives you insight into how she envisions spending them with you. Aligning on this now avoids tension later. Question 7. What's your ideal date? Why guess when you can let her tell you exactly what she wants? Is it dinner and a movie, bungee jumping, or cuddling on the couch with wine? Pro tip, memorize her answer and surprise her with that exact date later. That's how you turn a good impression into a lasting connection. Question 8. What's one of your secrets? This one cuts straight to the core. It could be lighthearted, a hidden passion for salsa dancing, or deeply personal, something she's never told anyone before. When someone shares a secret, they're showing trust. Respond with genuine interest, hold eye contact, and let the moment breathe. Trust is the foundation of attraction, and this question lays the groundwork for intimacy. Question 9. If you could take a dream vacation anywhere, where would you go? Would she escape to the beaches of Bali, the lights of Vegas, or the mountains of Switzerland? Her choice reflects what she's craving in life right now: rest, excitement, romance, or adventure. By understanding what she wants to escape to, you also learn what she wants to escape from. Use this knowledge to become the person who fulfills those needs. Question 10. If you could have one superpower, what would it be and how would you use it? Superpowers reveal desires and frustrations. Flying symbolizes freedom. Teleportation hints at curiosity. Invisibility suggests a longing for privacy. Whatever her answer, dig deeper to uncover the why. These questions aren't just conversation starters, they're tools to unlock her inner world. They reveal her dreams, fears, values, and quirks, helping you understand her on a level most men never reach. But remember, it's not about firing off these questions like an interrogation. Weave them naturally into your conversations, letting each answer guide the next. Build emotional connections, not interrogations. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, subscribe to Grandma's Vibes, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. For more insights into the female mind, check out our next video. It's one you won't want to miss. Thank you for watching, gentlemen. Until next time, this is Grandma reminding you, ask better questions, get better answers, and create better connections.